I really appreciate the decision of Prime Minister that they compare the situation in the USA and European countries. We are also now in a very safe position. Still, this position is also very sensitive and challenging. It's not so easy. So today, what my request to all of you that we need to win this war against Corona. The second war starts already, it is an economic war. We need to understand that how we can live, that we can implement the restrictions related with Corona, like lockdowns are very important. At the same time, we need to start our day-to-day life. That is very important. We have already started our national highway and 65 to 70% goods are already transported. Open all the ports now, export import is open. At the same time, in many area, industry is open. So we have to create job which the people who are migrant and particularly facing the problem, their mind is now very much disturbed. Now this is the time that we have to start industry and to create employment to all of these people. Now today I have a long discussion with SAM people and I discussed the problem of automobile industry. I really appreciate all of you that you are not only wealth creator but you are also employment creator. The industry's volume is 4,50,000 crore and your export is 1,45,000 crore. It is very remarkable for Indian economy. So the government is with you. We want to support you, and as a stakeholder we are all need cooperation, coordination and communication between the all stakeholders. I am also following the scrapping policy. I am very sorry, from last many days I am making persuasion for that. Today we have a discussion as early as possible. We will finalize that policy because we are discussing this policy with the different stakeholders. So it is late, but we will make it as early as possible. Now government has already taken decisions regarding restructure of MSME. Up to 31st March, the banks has already completed the restructure of 6 lakh MSMEs, and now we increase the date, it going up to 31st December. I am expecting that more 25 lakh MSME will be restructured. At the same time, 20% capital, working capital is increased, and 3-month defer payment for all type of installments from the bank. Already it is given to the concerning people. At the same time, we are taking lot of decisions related with the MSME, and still from last 15 days I have interaction with more than 3.50 people, the organization, associations, CII, FICCI, Association, PhD Chamber and many associations, and after discussing with them we received the suggestion from them, and we have already analyzed all the recommendation coming in discussions, and we have already recommended it to the finance ministry, and I am confident that we are expecting a package as early as possible. So we are all with you, but some of the people are telling me that the UK has given the package of 2 trillion, then Japan has given a big package. So there is a difference between the economy of Japan and USA. Now, as compared with this country, Indian economy is very small, but still we are all with you. You know that this time everyone is in problem. Some of the state government, they have no money to pay the payment to pays of the next month to their servants. This is a problem. Somewhere the central government is also facing the problem because the revenue is lost. Now it's a big loss that revenue is dropped. At the same time, the banking system is also facing the challenges. So in a situation, we are all in problem. Industry is in problem, laborers are in problem, all are in problems. And I will request you, we will protect everybody, we will help everybody, we will take everybody with us, and we will march ahead. And anywhere there is a problem, we will support them. Government is very sensitive, very corner, and definitely we are trying our level best to help the industry. I am confident now that this is the problem, but it is blessing in disguise. The Japanese Prime Minister has already declared The Japanese people, those who have their investment in China and those with the industry in China, now out of China, the Japanese government is giving a special package to them. So equally there is a reaction in USA, and all the country in the whole world, they have hatred for China. China is now is on a super economic power. So now India has got a lot of opportunities. We can attract this foreign investment in India, in MSME, in industry particularly. So we can upgrade the technology. We can create more employment potential by more investment in India. And we are trying our level best to how to get more investment in India. So my request is, this is the time for upgradation of the technology. This is the time for getting more foreign investment in the industry. This is the time for increase the more export, reduce the imports, and our automobile sector is very important. There is a huge potential. Only thing which I will request you, be positive and with confidence. We will face all the consequences and problems, and we will win the war against Corona. But not only Corona, we will win the war against the economic war, which is very important for us. We will also win the war, economic war. We will make India the 5 trillion economy and 100 lakh crores of infrastructure, which is the dream of our Honorable Prime Minister. And we need cooperation from all of you.